Hey guys, welcome back. I am Danny, your friendly tech amigo, and I got my son with me. What's your name?
Hero Plays.
Hiro Plays. And we have a special unboxing today because this is his first computer.
MacBook Neo.
MacBook Neo. He usually speaks Spanish and Japanese. Right here, Leo. You ready?
You're ready.
Good job. And this opens up. Whoa.
Oh. MacBook Neo.
So that box over there. Do you like the color? The color looks cool, right?
Oh. This big.
It's big. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna peel from here, like this, and you're gonna peel it. Good job. Second one up here. We just throwing paper anyway. No, this is the 8 gigabyte, of course, but this is 512 gigabytes of storage. I decided to get him this so he can use it for the next 5 years, hopefully. He's not like his dad that needs a new computer every year. Ready to open this?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Look, what does it say?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, my name. Ah. MacBook Neo.
Later, what does that say?
This will be open in California.
In California, okay.
Oh.
Do we have stickers? Do we get stickers?
There's
Nope, no stickers. Okay. Put this back. What is that? A USB-C cable and a charging port. But you already have these. Ya tienes estos. So we're gonna keep these in the box. And if you need it in the future, we'll open it from the box. But for right now, keep it in here. Let's do the one finger test. With one finger, open it. Whoa. You can see that it's the Apple logo right there. Do you like the color? ¿Te gustó el color?
Yes.
Like the color. We went with the blue. I forget what this color is called, but this is really nice.
Yes.
Keys also match the color, which is pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and set this up, and then we'll be right back. Okay, don't go nowhere.
So good.
So cool.
Yes.
We got my user ID and everything set up here. Now what we're doing is setting his up real quick. So we were finally able to put all his stuff onto the computer. Go to Netflix. Now this is why I wanted him to get a computer, because he's so used to his tablet and he depends a lot on his tablet. So now that he has to actually type instead of just clicking on an app, it's different. Go, what series were you watching? Does it sound good?
若島津から1点取る。今の日向小次郎のいない東宝なら必ず勝てる。俺たちが絶対東宝を倒してやるぜ。さあ、準決勝第1試合。
Screen is pretty good, right? La pantalla está bonita.
Yes.
I know you're gonna want to use video games, right?
Yeah.
So, which game do you want to get first? This one?
This one.
You got your MacBook set up. Everything's going good. I think we should put some stickers on there.
There's a Mario Kart stickers. Wow.
Yeah. So we were fortunate enough to go to Japan for a Christmas break. We got some stickers from Nintendo Osaka, I think. There's Koopa. And then?
Donkey.
Then there's Donkey. So we're going to put some stickers on here. Is that okay with you?
Okay.
Right there. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
You can see it.
Look.
There's Koopa. And there's Donkey. I've always wanted to do that. I've seen it.
This unboxing.
We have finished this unboxing. Leo's gonna try this computer out for a while. I'm gonna try this computer out for a while. I want to see some benchmarkings. I want to see how good this is. I might just get one myself. I like it. I like the color. Honestly, I like the color. It's nice. Do you like the color? Let us know in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
But